A call to all young entrepreneurs. Leverage for your small home-based business. Being a young entrepreneur, your small business is only as good as the people who know about it. And for those who don't know, well, they simply don't care. After all the hardships you've gone through while starting your business, after all those times you almost gave up to return to corporate life, after all the risks you faced and overcame, you've made it through. Now, the aim is to grow, but it's not that simple. Growth means more compromises, more risks, and deeper challenges. The absence of guaranteed success can make it tough to take your business to the next level. One key to growth is getting the word out about your home-based business. You may have the best product, but if only the people on your block know about it, it's not enough. To grow, you need promotion. Some young entrepreneurs start promoting their businesses before launch. Others wait until they see potential. Whichever path you choose, you need to spread the word. There are two key strategies: paid advertising or public relations. Paid ads involve buying space on TV, websites, or social media. But PR is about getting your story written by journalists or industry experts. While PR requires convincing someone to write about you, it's more trusted by audiences. People believe in articles more than TV commercials. If your story reaches the right person, it can spread nationally. Even the online world recognizes the power of traditional media. A TV feature can give your business a massive boost. SarahBits Digital is here to guide you through this. We show you how to get your story written and your brand noticed without the cost of paid ads. Our platform helps you build credibility and reach new audiences. Remember, getting attention for your home-based business is essential to growth. Join SarahBits Digital today and let us help you take your business to the next level.